Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create tooltip hover box with custom shape. Create a new Photoshop document and select the custom shape tool. Choose a rounded rectangle shape and draw the tooltip box. Change fill color to the darker tone. Select the triangle shape and draw a small triangle under the box. Rotate it to pinpoint downward. Align it with the center of the box. Add shorter tooltip text inside. Adjust text size and padding. Group the box and triangle. Double click the group main shape and add drop shadow. Then press OK. Zoom out to preview. Tooltip looks UI ready. Thanks.